Top 5 mobile device cleaning tools for hygiene and longevity.
Smartphones and accessories are used daily and can harbor germs and dirt. Regularly cleaning your device not only keeps it looking new, but also reduces the risk of bacteria transfer. In this video, discover the top 5 tools that help maintain hygiene and extend your device's life.
1. Microfiber cleaning cloths.
Microfiber cleaning cloths are gentle yet effective for removing fingerprints, smudges, and dust from screens and cases. They don't scratch surfaces and can be reused many times. For best results, wipe in circular motions. Avoid using tissue or rough fabrics, as they can damage your device. Microfiber cloths are a must-have for everyday cleaning.
2. Alcohol-based cleaning wipes.
Alcohol-based cleaning wipes are designed specifically for sanitizing electronics. They can kill a broad range of germs without harming most smartphone surfaces. Choose wipes that are at least 70% isopropyl alcohol for effective disinfection. Use them gently, avoiding oversaturation, to clean both your phone and accessories like earphones or cases.
3. UVC sanitizers.
The UVC sanitizers use ultraviolet light to destroy bacteria and viruses on your devices. Place your phone inside the unit and let the UV light do its job in a few minutes. This tool is ideal for a chemical-free cleaning experience and works for items like earbuds and watches. Always follow the manufacturer's guidelines for safe use.
4. Compressed air dusters.
Compressed air dusters blow away dust and debris from hard-to-reach places like charging ports, speakers, and headphone jacks. They are especially useful for maintaining functionality and longevity, as built-up lint can cause connectivity issues over time. Use short bursts with the device powered off for best and safest results.
5. Specialized cleaning brushes.
Specialized cleaning brushes are designed for detailed cleaning of your device's crevices, ports, and buttons. Their soft bristles can dislodge particles without damaging sensitive components. These brushes are excellent for keeping your phone, tablet, or even earbuds free of debris that can accumulate with daily use.
Choosing and using the right tools.
Combining these top cleaning tools helps keep your mobile devices hygienic and in excellent condition. Always check your manufacturer's recommendations before using any cleaning solution or tool. Regular cleaning preserves device performance and protects you from unwanted germs in your everyday life.